To create recipes, all we do is go to the recipe book. Then recipes. It's nice to break things down into folders for batches of the items that go into our main menu items. For example, create a new recipe and then go into the stock items to select which ingredients are included. Next, we simply just include the amount that we use in the recipe. And then make sure that we update the unit of measure, as well, noting that we can convert the original size of the item. As an example, kilos to grams or grams to kilos. You cannot convert an each into grams, kilos or liters. From here we go to the costing section and we enter the final yield. In this example it's 10 kilograms. It could be 10 1 kilogram portions. Either way, it will work out a costing for you here. When you're ready, it's safe to hit save as a stock item.